whatever happened.
There must be a way. A Christmas Carol.
I don't think Christmas music will work, Emma.
No, I mean a Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. You know, the movie we just watched?
What about it?
Well, Dr. Ruin is like Scrooge, Ebenezer Scrooge.
So you think he needs to be visited by three spirits?
I think he needs to be visited by the super pops of Christmas past, present, and future. You just might be on to something, Emma.
Like you said, in the movie they take him to the past and future. We're super, but how do we do that and tell the narrative we want to tell?
Well, I may be able to simulate something, like create a mirage that's not actually there based on the memories that I gather from him.
Oh.
Wow, can you do that, Chloe? I think so. It's a new aspect of the power that I've been working on.
Okay.
See? We just have to act fast. Okay, Chloe, you'll work on your simulations and we'll split up. We'll each go our separate ways and each perform an act.
Me? Okay. Who do you want me to change into?
Tonight, my spirits. Okay, seriously, what kind of practice? Chatty.
How did it go?
Great. You totally bought it.
All right, my ghosts of Christmas past, get ready. We're ready now.
Here we go.
We got this.
Humbug. What? Hello? Are you the spirits whose coming was foretold to me?
We
are
are
ghosts
ghosts
of Christmas past.
Long past?
Your
past.
Wait, you guys kind of look like the Super Pops.
Nope. We're spirits.
Oh, why are you here?
To help you. Come with us. I hope I can do this.
Here we are. Your past.
In our school?
It's my school. Everybody had gone out to play. It was hard making friends being the Prince of Avalonia. Everybody was intimidated that I was royal. As they should have been. Majesty always brought me out of the darkness, but it always brought me back.
Shit, child. Why are you staying here? The others are playing. Come on, let's go.
Hold on.
What is that? I'm not sure, but we have to keep moving.
Right.
Listen, Super Pop Spirits, I really appreciate this blast from the past and all, but I really need to get a good night's sleep tomorrow for my world domination.
Oh,
Wait, that's my mother.
No
more working tonight. It's the end of the month, so it's time to
celebrate.
We didn't celebrate Christmas, but my mother threw a ball at the end of the year. No matter what hard times the kingdom was going through, my mother wanted the people of Avalonia to know that she respected them.
Yes.
I just wish I could say thank you to Miss Fortune right now. That's all. Okay, are we done?
Almost.
Oh, yes. I had almost forgotten her.
She's beautiful. What was her name?
Melody. I want to marry